If you're making this at home, you need to start with a square. How do you turn a rectangle into a square? The answer is a triangle. So you take top corner and you're gonna fold it down and just line it up along the edge there. And you get better with practice. And then you wanna crease that down. And now this rectangle on the bottom, do abracadabra and cut that part off. And then our triangle opens up to make a square. Now the first step has already been done. Take two opposite corners and bring them together. I like to make sure they're lined up right here. And then I like to do a little pinchy to set it in place. And then I like to lay it down and really push down hard. It's called creasing. We have a big triangle. And now I'm going to take these two bottom corners and bring them together. And again, I like to do the lining the corners first. It can be pinchy. I want to crease it. I'm going to open that small triangle up to the big one again. I've got that nice crease going right down the middle there. Now I'm going to take this bottom edge, I'm going to bring it up, but not all the way. This is the knuckle of my thumb. I'm going to leave about a knuckle length there. And then crease this down. And then I'm going to take the top of the sailboat here and I'm going to curl it over or fold it over, push it down, crease it down like that. All right, update on the bat, because I like my new version better. So looking at the face right here, coming straight down that crease, I'm going to put a little dot right there. Okay, and then I'm going to take the tip of the wing, the top tip up here, and I'm going to bring that down almost to the dot. I'm not going to actually touch the dot. I'm just going to stop a little bit next to the dot and then push it down, fold it down. And then the same thing on the other side with this top tip of the wing. I'm going to bring that down, and again, not touching that center dot, I'm just near it. And then I can just push this down. And then, keeping it like this, I'm going to take the wing and just fold it up. Right along the edge there. And the same thing on this side, right along that edge. Just going to fold it up. And then it makes a, I don't know what to call that, diamond. Kind of like a diamond. And then you can fold it again. Oh man, now it looks like a bat hanging upside down. That I think is so cool. And then when it's ready to fly, to make the face, you already have a triangle pointing down, and then we're gonna lift this one up so it makes like a diamond shape there. And then with the pencil, I'm just gonna put a little dot right in the middle of that diamond, and I'm gonna draw up from there the letter V. And then I'm going to cut that V. There's one more fold that I like to do, and that's because the wings need to be able to pop out when it's flying. So I'm going to fold this back up. So now it looks kind of like a fox's face there. Then I'm going to take this edge and lay it along this edge. I'm just going to fold this down like that. Okay, the same thing here. Take this edge and lay it along there. Fold it down. Now, my wings can fold in however I want to do that, so it can hang upside down. But then when they come out, they can pop out, boom, and now it looks like it's flying. Do the famous curve down here. So from the center to here, I'm just gonna do an arch like that, and then between this end, I'm gonna put one in the middle. The M, and then the same thing on the other side. And after you cut it, you'll notice this paper is a little loose, so you just get a dab of glue right there, stick it down, and then you will have a really cool looking bat. Good luck. Follow up on the bat that flaps its wings. It actually really does work. It's super cool. Check this out. Okay, go. Ooh, boomerang. Ooh, a little bit.